So the first problem is creating and accessing the sets. तो जैसे हमने लिस्ट और डिक्शनरी के लिए देखा था, टपल के लिए देखा था, वैसे ही फर्स्ट हम क्या करेंगे, सेट क्रिएट करेंगे एंड विल ट्राई टू एक्सेस एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है, create a set called colors with the following elements: red, green, blue and yellow. Okay, so first we'll create the set. So the name of set is colors. And how to create the set? In which brackets? Curly bracket, right? So in curly bracket we will give this list: red, green, blue and yellow. So this is our set. Okay, now when we say set does not allow duplicate element, okay, we'll first execute this code. So it has been successfully executed. Okay, then how to print the set? Simply print colors set, and here right colors. This will print the colors set. Okay, so second question we have solved. Now third is add a new element purple to the colors set. We have to add new element purple to the color set. So we will add that element. Just so the next operation that we are going to perform is adding new element purple to the colors set. Okay, so to add elements we have a method called add. So how to add? Simply colors dot add and the element you want to add. Then again we can print the updated set. So I'll write here set after adding an element, and that set is sorry colors. Okay, now let us execute this. So this is our color set. Then set after adding an element. So here you can see purple. Now this proves that set is unordered because you have added purple, and you can see it is added randomly at any position. Okay, so that is why the set is unordered. So whenever you add any element, not necessary it will add at the end, it can add at any position. Okay, now next question is to remove element blue from the color set. Now to remove the element we have remove method. Okay, and which element we need to remove? Blue. Okay, again we'll print set after removing an element. Okay, so set after removing an element, here you can see blue has been removed from the set. Okay, now what is next question? Check if the element green is present in the color set or not. So to check whether an element is present in the set or not, we have a operator, or you can say keyword in, which will give you true or false. Okay, like you can say green in colors. If you print this, it will give true or false. So if green is present in the colors, it will print true, otherwise it will print false. Okay, so here you can see green is present, so true. So instead of green, if I write here blue, it should give me false. Okay, so it has given false. So here we can um, give some message like is blue present, and so it will give is blue present false. Got it? Any doubt till now in sets? Okay, so this is how we create and access elements of set. Okay, now we will apply sets method. Okay, so if you compare this set with list dictionary, this set has a different methods, like we perform union, intersection, difference, set difference or symmetric difference, these operations on set. So we have these methods on the set. So let us now come to the next problem, that is problem 2. We just copy paste that problem here and comment it out. We will solve them now. Okay. So the first question here is create two sets, set 1, set 2 with elements this and this. Okay. So let us create set 1 equal to, just copy paste these elements, and set 2 equal to, copy these elements. Okay. Now let us try to perform various operations on set. So the first operation we are going to perform is union. Okay, so use the union method to find union of set 1 and set 2. Okay, so first of all you tell me what is union. Yes, what is union? 6, 7, 8, right? Why? Why this 4, 5 will not occur two times? They
मैम,
are there.
मैम सेट्स में जब यूनियन लेते हैं तो मैम वो मैम वन टाइम ही है शो
राइट,
करता
सेट डुप्लीकेट एलिमेंट अलाउ नहीं करता, इसलिए अगर डुप्लीकेट्स है तो वो रिमूव हो जाएंगे, एक ही बार सेट में अपीयर होंगे. So now how to perform union on set? So simply set 1 dot union, and in bracket you have to give set 2. Okay, or you can write set 2 union set 1, it is one and the same. And now we'll just print it. So print union of sets. Set 1 union set 2. Okay, let us now execute this. Sorry, I have given here set. So here you can see, as per expectation, we have got the same elements. Okay, please mute yourself. Now the next operation we can perform on set is what? Intersection. So we'll perform intersection. Now can you tell me which element should appear in the intersection?
4, 5.
4 and 5, right? Because intersection is the set of common elements. So if you see these sets 4 and 5 is common between these both the sets. So 4 and 5 should appear. So we have set 1 dot, just like union we have intersection set 2. Okay, or here you can, we just try set 2 intersection set 1. Okay, it is one and the same. We just try here print intersection of sets, and then we execute. So here you can see intersection of set is 4 and 5. Now next operation is difference method to find difference between set 1 and set 2. Okay, now tell me, what do you mean by difference and what element should appear in difference? If I perform set 1 minus set 2, what element should I get in difference?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, right?
6, 8.
Dipanshu, please mute yourself, or I don't know whether you are answering. Because this set 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are subtracting this set 2 from set 1. So whatever common elements are there between set 1 and set 2, those will be removed. Rest all elements from set 1 will be printed. From set 2 will not be printed because we are doing set 1 set 1 minus set 2. अगर ये set 2 minus set 1 होता तो क्या आंसर आता? Is it same? Set 2 minus set 1?
No, ma'am.
No, it is different, right? So अगर हम set 2 minus set 1 करते तो क्या आएगा?
Ma'am, 6, 7, 8.
Right, 6, 7, 8. Okay, तो जैसे यूनियन एंड इंटरसेक्शन में अगर हम ऑर्डर चेंज भी कर दे तो कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं आता है. It is not applicable for difference. Okay, so in case of difference, set 1 minus set 2 will be different than set 2 minus set 1. Okay, so how to calculate the difference? Simply set 1 difference, set 1 difference, set 2. Okay, we will print set 1 minus set 2. Okay, we will try both the things and print set 2 minus set 1, and we'll write here set 2 dot difference set 1. Okay, let us execute this. So here you can see set 1 minus set 2 is 1, 2, 3, and set 2 minus set 1 is 8, 6, 7. That is nothing but the 6, 7. Okay, it is unordered, so it is coming in any order. Okay, and now the next is use symmetric difference method to find symmetric difference between set 1 and set 2. Okay, now what do you mean by symmetric difference? Yes, पता है आपको symmetric difference?
मैम जो एलिमेंट इंटरसेक्शन में है उनको छोड़ के बाकी सब साइड सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस
जो common elements है
उनको छोड़ के बाकी सब
मतलब जब हम symmetric difference लेते हैं दो sets का, so the symmetric difference will contain elements which are either in set A or in set B but not in both. जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स है वो रिमूव होके बाकी के जो एलिमेंट्स है वो आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो अगर सेट 1 सेट 2 पे आप सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस अप्लाई करते हो तो क्या एलिमेंट्स मिलने चाहिए हमें? 1, 2, 3, देन 6, 7, 8, राइट?
Yes, sir.
So how to perform this symmetric difference? वैसे ही set 1 dot symmetric difference set 2. ओके, हम ये प्रिंट करते हैं, प्रिंट। नाउ ये सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस आप सेट 1 माइनस सेट 2 करो या सेट 2 माइनस सेट 1 करो, इट विल बी सेम. It is only different for the difference. Okay, symmetric difference set 1 dot symmetric difference set 2. Now let us execute. So here you can see here the symmetric difference which contain all the elements from both the sets except the common elements. Okay, so these are the operations on set, or you can say these are methods on set. Okay, any doubt? Yes, any doubt? Nitesh, Dipanshu, any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let us move further.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now again we'll perform some set operations. So for that, first create a set called numbers with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us create a set numbers equal to these numbers. Okay, now create another set called prime numbers with elements 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so we'll create one more set, that is prime numbers equal to 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now find the common elements between numbers and prime numbers. So how to find common elements? Yes, tell me. Print. Yes, bata.
इंटरसेक्शन करने के लिए.
Right. We have to perform intersection. Common elements, and उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? Numbers dot intersection prime numbers. Correct? इसको हम ठीक है. These are the common elements. Now the next question. Find elements that are in numbers but not in prime numbers. तो क्या करना है इसके लिए?
Subtraction.
We need to take the difference, right? So difference के लिए क्या लिखना है? We want the elements that are in numbers but not in prime numbers. So for that we have to write numbers dot which operation? Difference.
Difference.
And prime numbers. Okay, let us print this. So here you can see elements that are in numbers. So these are, and it has removed common elements. So 2, 3, 5 ये elements remove हो गए और फिर क्या बचा 1 and 4. So it has printed 1 and 4. Now check if prime number is a subset of number. ओके, तो सबसेट चेक करने के लिए भी हमारे पास रेडीमेड मेथड है. ओके, इज सबसेट. सो सिंपली यू हैव टू राइट. क्या चेक करना है? प्राइम नंबर नंबर्स का सबसेट है या नहीं. सो हाउ विल यू राइट? प्राइम नंबर्स डॉट इज, see here, is subset of numbers. Okay, what do you mean by subset? Yes, सबसेट मतलब क्या?
मैम कुछ एलिमेंट जो कि कुछ दूसरे सेट से बिलोंग्स करता है.
कुछ एलिमेंट्स नहीं. जब हम कहते हैं कि एक सेट दूसरे सेट का सबसेट है, मतलब उस सेट के सारे एलिमेंट्स दूसरे सेट में प्रेजेंट है, देन ओनली दैट सेट ए इज सबसेट ऑफ सेट बी. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम चेक
ओके.
करते हैं is prime numbers is subset of numbers. तो ये जो is subset मेथड है वो क्या देगी हमें? ट्रू या फॉल्स. इफ इट इज सबसेट it will give you true, otherwise false. Okay, let's check. So see here, is prime number is subset of numbers? False, because it contains this 7 number which is not present in numbers. Okay, now अगर हम ये remove करते हैं 7 number और एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, नाउ इट इज गिविंग ट्रू बिकॉज 2 3 5 ऑल मेंबर्स आर प्रेजेंट हियर इन नंबर. सो नाउ प्राइम नंबर इज अ सबसेट ऑफ नंबर्स. ओके, बट अगर 7 नंबर है इसमें तो इट इज नॉट सबसेट, सो इट इज रिटर्निंग फॉल्स. एनी डाउट?
नो मैम.
Now we'll see some interesting example based on set. Okay, so some real world scenarios we will see. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे क्या करना है हमें? क्रिएट अ सेट कॉल्ड स्टूडेंट्स विद द नेम ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स who have submitted their assignments. Okay, so we have to create a set of students. Okay, and these are the students who have submitted their assignments. Okay, so let us consider this as it is, so it will save our time. I am creating a set called students equal to that set. Okay, now create another set called past students with the names of students who have passed the exam. Okay, now we have to create one more set, that is this set, and these are what? Past students. Okay, so I'll write here past students. Okay, now in further questions we have to perform some operations. Okay, now what is third question? Find the student who have both submitted their assignment and passed the exam. Okay, now how to calculate this? Students who have submitted their assignment and passed the exam. Which operation you have to perform for this?
इंटरसेक्शन.
Intersection, right? Student dot students dot intersection past students. Okay, this will give you the students which are common in both. And what is meaning of common? Common means these students who have submitted the assignment as well as passed the exam. Okay. So print, I'll just write here the problem number. Okay. Now next is find the student who have submitted their assignment but did not pass the exam. Now how to calculate this? Students who have submitted their assignment but did not pass the exam. कैसे निकालेंगे ये?
डिफरेंस
डिफरेंस, राइट? किसका डिफरेंस लेंगे? पहले हमें क्या चाहिए? who have submitted their assignment but did not pass. So यहाँ पे पहले स्टूडेंट लेंगे और फिर डिफरेंस पास स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, ये हो गया फोर्थ वन. देन फाइंड द स्टूडेंट हु पास द एग्जाम बट डिड नॉट सबमिट देयर असाइनमेंट. ये कैसे आएगा? फिफ्थ वन कैसे आएगा? यस, फिफ्थ में क्या करना है? स्टूडेंट्स हु पास द एग्जाम बट डिड नॉट सबमिट देयर असाइनमेंट. तो सिंपली कैसे आएगा? यहाँ पे करेंगे हम पास
पास
स्टूडेंट्स
स्टूडेंट
और डिफरेंस स्टूडेंट. ठीक है. एंड सिक्स में क्या है? फाइंड ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आइदर सबमिटेड देयर असाइनमेंट और पास द एग्जाम और बोथ. ये कैसे स्टूडेंट्स होंगे? कि जिन ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स चाहिए जिन्होंने आइदर असाइनमेंट सबमिट किया है और पास्ड है और बोथ है. कौन सा ऑपरेशन अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? यस नितेश.
यूनियन
Union, very good. Because we want all the students. ठीक है, मैं एग्जीक्यूट करती हूँ. ये है थर्ड, दैट मीन्स इंटरसेक्शन, राइट. देन ये है students who have only submitted the assignments. This is the student who just passed the exam but did not submit the assignment, and this is the union. Okay, so this is the list of all the students from passed as well as assignment submitted. Okay, so this is all about sets. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in sets?
नो मैम
Okay. Now next assignment is on for loop. Okay. So in the second unit we have seen for loop and while loop. So we will see first assignment on for loop, and then after that we'll see uh, assignment on while loop. Okay. So simple first two three questions we can complete today. So we'll complete it, and then remaining questions we will continue tomorrow. So here first question is very simple. Write a program that prints number from 1 to 10 using for loop. Okay, now tell me how to do that. right here. Assignment on for loop. Okay, our first question is write a program that prints number from 1 to 10 using for loop. Okay, tell me very simple question. चलो बताओ जल्दी से कैसे फॉर लूप का सिंटैक्स फॉर देन
और I in some variable में
i in range what we do I in range और यहाँ पे रेंज क्या देना है
1 to 10
1, 10 10 से आ जाएगा आ जाएगा 10 से 1 to 10 नंबर प्रिंट हो जाएंगे 10 से ओके लेट अस चेक कितने नंबर प्रिंट हो गए 1 to 9 राइट तो मैंने आपको बहुत बार बोला है जब भी आप रेंज देते हो तो जो अपर लिमिट होता है वो एक्सक्लूड होता है तो जब भी आपको प्रिंट करने हैं 1 to 10 तो आपको क्या देना है रेंज में 1 to 11 देन ओनली इट विल प्रिंट फ्रॉम 1 to 10 ओके नाउ यू कैन सी अभी नेक्स्ट जो हमने रन किया इसमें वो 1 to 10 प्रिंट करेगा गॉट इट सो नेवर फॉरगेट दिस इन पाइथन क्योंकि रेंज हम बहुत बार यूज करते हैं तो रेंज के लिए जब भी आपको प्रिंट करना है उससे कभी भी जो अपर लिमिट है वो +1 देना है ठीक है देन ओनली इट विल प्रिंट योर रेंज okay now given a list this write a python program that print each fruit using for loop okay so we have seen how to iterate over list using for loop okay so now this is our list how to iterate over this list using for loop yes कैसे iterate करते हैं
for I in fruits
for I क्या करना है इसके आगे for I
in fruits
right in fruits for I in fruits then colon and write print I okay instead of I you can give anything like for fruit in fruits or for each fruit in fruits here you can write each okay so this is how you can give some meaningful names to the variable it can be understood so here you can see one by one fruit has been printed got it now next program is write a program to calculate sum of elements in the list is given using for loop now one list is given and you have to calculate sum of elements of list okay I will write here the question So this is our list, and what we have to do, we have to calculate sum using for. So how to do that, कैसे करना पड़ेगा? First take some variable sum equal to 0, right? Then क्या करेंगे for loop में? For बताओ, yes, what to do here?
मैम मैम इंडेक्स 0 से हम उसका लास्ट लेंथ तक फॉर लूप में डिफाइन करके फिर उसको ऐड कर सकते
हाँ, ये तो लिस्ट है, लिस्ट में हमने रिपीट
हाँ, तो फिर मैम फॉर आई इन नंबर
नंबर्स, फिर क्या करना है? For I in number, sum is equal to sum plus I. ठीक है, तो ये क्या होगा, एवरी टाइम 1 by 1 एलिमेंट लेगा इस नंबर से, और जो भी आपकी सम की वैल्यू है उसमें वो एलिमेंट ऐड कर देगा. सो जितने एलिमेंट्स है उतने बार ये लूप इटरेट होगा, और एवरी टाइम जो भी सम के वैल्यू है उसमें नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट की वैल्यू ऐड हो जाएगी. ठीक है, अभी फॉर से बाहर आना है, मतलब ये इंडेंटेशन अगर आप यहाँ पे एंटर करोगे तो आपका कर्सर यहाँ पे आएगा, लेकिन हमें टाइप करना है यहाँ पे. क्या टाइप करना है? प्रिंट sum and write sum. Okay. So here you can see the sum is 50. Okay. So sum of these number is 50. आया समझ में नितेश?
यस मैम.
Last question we will solve. Use a for loop to create a list of even numbers from 1 to 20. Okay. So using for loop हमें क्या करना है? एक even number का list बनाना है. ठीक है, या एक लिस्ट बना के उसमें इवन नंबर्स ऐड करने हैं. कैसे करेंगे?
मैम फॉर लूप से इटरेट करेंगे और जो नंबर 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा वो इवन नंबर हो जाएगा. सी
पहले हम क्या करेंगे, एक लिस्ट बनाते हैं, empty list, even list is equal to empty. Now for loop क्या करना है? For I in range क्या देना पड़ेगा? Range
1 to 21.
21, right? Then colon, इसके अंदर हम क्या करेंगे? बताओ. इसके अंदर हम चेक करेंगे if I mod 2 इक्वल
टू 0.
0 है तो क्या करना है?
इवन नंबर.
लिस्ट डॉट अपेंड, राइट? अगर मॉड 2 0 है मतलब नंबर इज इवन, तो इवन है तो हमें क्या करना है? लिस्ट में
ऐड कर देना.
उस नंबर को ऐड करना है, राइट? सो लिस्ट डॉट अपेंड, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम आई. ठीक है, और अगर नहीं है तो हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है, तो हम एल्स नहीं भी लिखेंगे तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ठीक है, नाउ विल कम out from if and for, or here I'll print the list of even numbers, and we'll print here that list, even list. Okay, let us now execute. So here you can see list of even numbers. Got it? ये समझ में
Yes.
आया? यहाँ पे else नहीं लिखा है हमने, उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। डाउट है कुछ?
नहीं मैम।
क्योंकि इवन नंबर है तो हमें ऐड करना है, अगर नंबर इवन नहीं है तो हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है। सो वी हैव नॉट रिटन एनीथिंग एल्स। लेकिन अगर आपको ऐसा करना है कि दो अलग अलग लिस्ट बनानी है, एक इवन नंबर की और एक ऑड नंबर की, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, और एक एम्प्टी लिस्ट बनाएंगे, ऑड लिस्ट, राइट। इफ आई मॉड टू 0 है तो इवन लिस्ट डॉट अपेंड, एल्स हम क्या करेंगे, ऑड लिस्ट डॉट अपेंड, राइट। तो ये दो लिस्ट बन जाएंगी, एक इवन नंबर की होंगी, एक ऑड नंबर की।